ako bukas. May assignment ako.
Okay, baby. I'll help you.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
You're welcome, baby ko.
Now, stop reading now. Okay. 1 hour later. Wait, that's my mom.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Wait, me?
Me too.
You want some food?
Please cook for us.
You want this?
Okay.
Yummy. I like it.
Daddy, I want one too. I want a cupcake.
Okay, I'll get a cupcake.
Yummy.
Okay. Is it yummy? Okay. Yes or no?
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. Now, what are you gonna do, Zia? Now,